Hi everyone and welcome back to Nick's Diecast. For today's video I'll be unboxing this 1/18 scale Maisto 1936 Mercedes-Benz 500K Special Type Roadster, which is a mouthful. I got this off of Amazon from Amazon Warehouse Deals. I think it was around like $35. I ended up getting a decent discount for it as opposed to its regular price. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. Wow, look at that. It's a really nice looking car. I got the box out. I really don't see any signs of damage to the box, aside from the plastic kind of got punched in a little bit there, but that's really it. I mean, the box looks pristine otherwise. Wow, that's a nice looking model. There's that Mercedes-Benz sticker on there. Oh, yeah, there's some damage on there. Looks like the bottom got poked out or something. Inspected by Amazon Warehouse Deals. Oh yeah, the whole bottom is like punched in. Huh, that's interesting. Well, the car's okay. I'd say it was worth the discount. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box next. That is an elegant looking car. That's really, really nice. I'll go ahead and get it unscrewed from the base next. Alright, there's our model off the base. Just gotta take off these straps next. I always like the Maisto Premier Edition cars because they come with these neat little kind of nameplates. You can see it has the Maisto badge on there and the name of the car on the side there. Really, really nice. Alright, there's our model, the 1936 Mercedes-Benz 500K. Looks really, really beautiful. Looks incredible. I'm looking forward to doing a review on this. Thanks for watching.